Arts, and today in this video I am going to do something very different, and this video is going to be very good guys, and this video will be going very interesting. You please watch the video till end guys. I hope you will be liking this video very much. And guys, so today the time is 10:54 a.m. and today date is 30 March 2021. So guys, I thought to make up something different videos. As you can see, my latest video was about my top 10 drawings, so this video should be also like that only. So I have made a table. I will be going to show you my all drawing sketching materials today in this video. And guys, this video is going to be very interesting guys for me. In this video we will be having very much fun guys. So let me arrange my table with my sketching and drawing materials. All materials I will be showing you today that I buy or all that I have used latest in my videos, and that I was using earlier. All materials I will be showing to you guys, so please don't skip the video and watch the video till end guys, and please hit the like and subscribe button. So without wasting time, let's start. Just like guys you can see on my screen, these all are only the materials that I use for my drawings. And guys, so today I am going to introduce each material to you line wise guys. And I want to tell you guys that I have already made a video on this topic materials, and in that video I have told you that how many materials you can use as a beginner guys. And guys, now I will be showing to you. So first let's start with our pencils, color pencils. So guys, these color pencils of DOMS I use 24 shades here written. These all are the shades that are present in this, and there is a sharpener also guys, you can see. And before this I buy this colors pencils guys. This is also this is of 50 rupees and this is of 100 rupees. So this I buy of 50 rupees guys. Just like you can see, these are like this. They are 12 shades. You can see on the screen, these are all the shades present in this color pencils. And guys, this small pencil color I buy of 25 rupees. DOMS color pencils only I am having guys. You can see in this also there are 12 color pencils but small, just like you can see guys. Now guys, I will be starting with my crayons and oil pastels. So guys, let's start with crayons and oil pastels. So guys, now here are my crayon and oil pastels. Just like you can see, these are my crayons of 25 rupees. In this crayons guys, 12 crayons are present. And this is very old guys. This I bought last year in November or December. So guys, this is also my material. Just like you can see, this is very old oil pastel guys. This I bought in my last year, January or February guys. I bought this. Wait, yeah. Before that also I bought this guys. I bought these DOMS oil pastels. I thought 1 year ago. In 2019 I bought this. In 2019 I was in 5th class guys. That's why. So these are only my oil pastels and crayons you can see here on the screen. And now I will be starting with my painting colors that I use as a beginner. So these are DOMS colors, just like you can see. I'm having these painting colors guys. Painting colors you can see on the screen. These are my DOMS painting color. You can see here. And guys, after this I use watercolor tubes. This watercolor tubes painting colors. These are very good painting colors, guys, and in this there is a palette also. And guys, now here is our poster colors, and I use camel poster colors, guys, just like you can see on my screen. So these are the colors. So guys, these are the poster colors that I use. You can just like see here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Guys, there are 12 poster colors. You can see here is one picture is also drawn. And guys, I used this board as a palette when I was not having this tube colors. And guys, after that, let's come to our brush. This is the brush set I buy of 35 rupees, guys. And guys, I am also having some more brushes, so I have put that brushes also in this. Like this is my brush and this was also my brush. So guys, these brush also and this one also was my brush. So these all brush I put in on my this brush set only. So guys, now let's come to our sketching materials, and this will be very much fun to see sketching materials, guys. So guys, let's come to our sketching materials. So here is our sketching materials, guys, that I use for my sketching, guys. You can just like see here. You can see these all are my sketching materials, guys. So let's come to our sketching pencils, guys. As a beginner, I use this Camlin pencils, sketching pencils. Just like you can see 6B, 2B, 8B, 4B, HB, 8B, 10B. And guys, these I use of Camlin, and these two I use of Apsara. These are 10B. This is 10B, guys, of Apsara, and this is 6B. So guys, and I have told you many times that I use this outline pencil. You can see here. This is B pencil. And guys, sometimes I use Apsara pencils for making outlines. Sometimes I use, and sometimes I also use HB also I use for outline. And guys, here is our charcoal pencil that I use. Guys, I was having Camlin charcoal pencils also, but they have got finished, so I will be buying new charcoal pencils. And these are my charcoal pencils of Apsara, guys. I'm having hard and medium shade. You can see just like on the screen. And guys, here is my mechanical pencil that I use as a beginner. You can see these are my mechanical pencils. So this is my mechanical pencil, guys. You can see here on the screen. So guys, let's open this, and this is my second mechanical pencil of 2.0 mm lead, just like you can see. Sometimes I use this also for making outlines. Mechanical pencils are very good. And this is refill of 2.0 mm pencil, this one. And this I bought new, guys. Day before yesterday I bought these mechanical pencils of 0.7 mm, guys, and I have bought one more refill. You can see here in this packet there one I have got one free, and I have bought one more refill for this mechanical pencils. And this pencil is of Sero, guys, and this is of Camlin. So now let's come to our blending materials, guys. So here blending materials that I use are blending stumps. You can see these all blending stumps are homemade, guys. I have made them at home only. And these are the earbuds that I use for eyes to blend. And these are the this I have also made a blending tool. And this is a brush for blending. I hope you have seen all these materials in my videos also. So guys, these are my pens that I use for sketching, guys, and for outlining also some drawings with black pen and blue pen. Blue pen I mostly use for sketching only. And this is I made with tissue paper, pom pom, you can say, for blending. This is very good, guys, for giving skin texture. You can easily give skin texture with this pom pom. And guys, this is only simple tissue paper. And here is my erasers and highlighting tools. You can see, guys, these eraser I use Apsara Matte Magic, and this is, I don't know this eraser name, I forgot. And this is also Apsara. This is simple Apsara eraser, and you can see the average of eraser now, how it is looking. And this eraser is new, so it is looking like this. So this eraser got old, so it is looking like very bad. And just like you can see, here are my highlighting tools, guys. These are my highlighting tools. I've cut it an eraser piece small for hair and braids highlights. And guys, this is a chalk that I sometimes use for background and for hair also. And guys, this is my last tool, glass marking pencil, that I use for making highlights, white highlights. So guys, wait, these all are only the materials that I use, guys. You can see here my sketching tools are here, my painting materials are here, my crayon and oil pastels are here, my pencil colors are here. Just like you can see, guys, these are my sketching tools, and this is my new mechanical pencil. I will open it, guys. Wait, first let me show my all the materials. You can see, guys, these all are the only materials that I use. And guys, wait, I forgot that I bought new glass marking pencil. This was very short, so I bought new one. So here is our new one glass marking pencil, guys. Just like you can see, white color pencil. So let's put this pencil here. So you can see, guys, this is also the pencil that I use. This is small one, and this is bigger one, guys. So guys, these are only the material that I use for my painting and sketching and coloring drawings. So guys, now let's unbox this mechanical pencil. Without wasting time, let's start unboxing. So let's start. So guys, here only I will be unboxing. I've cleared one area for unboxing the mechanical pencil of Cello. So guys, here is a mechanical pencil, guys. You can just like see, and this is very good, guys. And this, I have opened the packet. Wait, let me first read all the instruction and more. This is Cello pencil, guys, of ARC mechanical pencil. Here is written, and 0.7 mm lead is present in this. And guys, it can be refillable and free one lead box. You can just like see here, it is written free Cello 0.5 mm lead. And here is written the joy of writing. And guys, this mechanical pencil set came off 15 rupees, guys, just like you can see here. And behind there are many instruction written. You can see made in India, customer care officer, many things. So now guys, without wasting time, let's open this. It opened from here, guys. So first let only take out our mechanical pencil. So guys, here is our mechanical pencil that I bought, and here it is written Cello ARC mechanical pencil 0.7, and above when we press, the lead came out, and this is very thin lead, guys, just like you can see here. I have now done inside the lead. And guys, above there is one eraser also present, just like you can see. This is the eraser, it came out also. And a cap is also present in this eraser. And guys, now let's talk about this pencil lead. So guys, this is the pencil lead that came free from this packet, and you can just like see here it is a black and silver color. Let's open this. So guys, in this there are these leads are present, and guys, one lead is broken, guys. You can see here because these leads are very thin now, guys. That's why one lead got broken. So these are the leads that came. You can see here. And guys, I thought that these are not too much lead, so guys, I bought one more box of lead, Cello 0.7 mm fine lead, and this box is of 5 rupees only, guys. And this box is also of Cello, and these are the LEDs that are present in this box. And guys, one LED is also present in this mechanical pencil before only. So these are only my materials, guys, and these are only my mechanical pencils. So today I will be not doing any work with this mechanical pencil. When I will be doing, guys, I will make a video of that, and you can easily watch that video on my YouTube channel MBR, guys. And you can just like see here, guys. And guys, thank you so much for your love, guys. Our views have become very growing, and our views are growing very fastly, guys. Like this only give love to my channel very much. You are giving, guys, very much love to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. And guys, these are only my drawing materials. So let's put this back. I'm putting all the materials back. You can see here. So guys, these are only my drawing materials that you can see on the screen. These are only my drawing materials, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, and without wasting time, bye guys. So please, and guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and hit the subscribe button very tightly, guys. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button also, and please comment on my videos that which tool you like, and which and tool from this. If you want any tool, I will be giving a link in my description box. You can just check out here, check out there on the description box, guys. So without wasting time, bye guys, bye. And guys, you can follow my Instagram ID MBArts.